Mastering Negative Questions in Social Situations, a guide. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our newest video lesson. Today, we'll be focusing on a fascinating and important aspect of English conversation: negative questions in social situations. Mastering these can give your English a natural, fluent feel and will aid you in your day-to-day interactions. Let's start with the basics. Negative questions are questions that are formed by adding not to the auxiliary verb in the sentence. They often express surprise, confusion, disbelief, or to ask for confirmation. For example, "Isn't it a beautiful day?" Or, "Didn't you go to the concert?" Now let's see how these questions can be applied in social scenarios. When interacting with others, we use negative questions for a few different reasons. We might want to confirm or deny a fact, express surprise, make polite requests. Let's take an example of each one. 1. Confirming or denying a fact. If we aren't sure about something, we might ask, "Isn't your name Alex?" Or, "Don't you live in New York?" 2. Expressing surprise. When something unexpected happens, we might express our surprise with a negative question like, "Didn't they just get married last year?" if we hear a couple is splitting up. 3. Making polite requests. Negative questions can also make our requests sound more polite. For instance, "Couldn't you help me with these bags?" sounds more polite and less direct than, "Can you help me with these bags?" When answering negative questions, it's crucial to avoid confusion. If your answer agrees with the negative question, use "no," followed by a positive statement, such as, "No, I don't." For example, "Don't you like ice cream?" "No, I don't." If your answer disagrees with the negative question, use "yes," followed by a positive statement, such as, "Yes, I do." For example, "Don't you like ice cream?" "Yes, I do." This can feel counterintuitive because you're disagreeing with a negative question by saying, "Yes," but that's how English works. And that's it for today's lesson on negative questions in social situations. These are incredibly useful for everyday conversations, making your English more natural and fluent. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time. Remember, learning a language is a journey. Enjoy every step along the way, and don't hesitate to replay this video if you need to review the lesson. Until next time, happy learning!